Hi, my name is Ganere. I am a former A Level student and I graduated high school with straight A stars, and I'm here to help you do the same, or if not, just to make A Level Maths a little less challenging for you. So, in this video, we'll be solving quadratic inequalities. So let's get on with it. Number 1. X squared minus 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So the first step is to find the roots of the quadratic. So that's x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So let's factorize to get our roots. So that's negative 3 plus 1. 1 times negative 3 gives us negative 3. 1 minus 3 gives us negative 2. So our roots are x equals negative 1 and x is equal to 3. Now let's sketch a diagram of the inequality. So that's the curve and that's our x-axis. Our first root here is negative 1 and our second root is 3. And we want the region where the curve is above the x-axis. So we have two regions. That's this region as well as this region. So that means we have two solutions. X is less than or equal to, remember to put the or equal to sign because they use that as well in the question. So that's x is less than or equal to negative 1 and x is greater than or equal to 3. Let's move on to number 2. That's x squared plus 3x minus 18 is less than 0. Again, let's start by finding the roots of the quadratic. Let's factorize. So this should be 6 and this should be 3 and that should be positive. That's negative. 6 minus 3 gives us 3. 6 times minus 3 gives us negative 18. So x is equal to negative 6 and x is equal to 3. Again, we'll sketch our curve and then our x-axis is here. Let's label this root. This is negative 6 and this is 3. This time we want the region where the curve is below the x-axis. So that's this region. That means our solution would be x is between negative 6 and 3. And notice how in the question they have not used a less than or equal to sign, so it means our solution should not have the or equal to part. Let's move on to number 3. Negative x squared plus 10x plus 11 is greater than or equal to 0. Let's factorize. This will become negative x and that's x. This is 0 and then we have 11 here and 1 there. This is all positive, so that means our roots are x is equal to 11 and x is equal to negative 1. Now notice how this is a negative quadratic, so it means our parabola, our curve, will be upside down. And then our x-axis, the first root will be negative 1 and the second root is 11. And we want the region that is above the x-axis, so that is this region. So our answer will be x is between negative 1 and 11. Again, notice how they've used the greater than or equal to sign in the question, so that means our final answer should have the or equal to part. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.